gentlemen, over the years, the AIAC has transformed from a regional institution into a global platform of choice. The official launch of the AIAC Suite of Rules 2026. To begin the event, we would like to invite Yang Berbahagia Tan Sri Muhammad Dusuki bin Mokhtar.
This year, for the very first time, the AIAC embarked on an ambitious roadshow, the road to Kairos, across 5 regions in Malaysia, as prelude to the Asia ADR Week.
Now we would like to invite Yang Berhormat Dato Sri Azalina Othman Said, a Minister in the Prime Minister's Department, Law and Institutional Reform, to deliver these special remarks.
The launch of the AIAC Suite of Rules for 2026 embodied visionary objective, institutional specialization, experts insight, industry best practices and global standards that set the trajectory of our ADR journey.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our privilege to now invite Yang Amat Berhormat Dato Sri Haji Fadila bin Haji Yusof, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Energy Transition and Water Transformation on stage to deliver the executive address.
For Malaysia, this is our Kairos moment in ADR, a pivotal juncture to transcend participation and to help shape the very architecture of global dispute resolution.
We have so many adjudicators, but we need some more. We will be running courses and we will be looking to you to join the ranks.
As a closing, I have to thank each and every one of you for your enthusiasm, for your participation, engagement that has indeed transformed the 7th edition of Asia ADR Week into a success.
Extremely delighted to welcome all of you to Kairos Gala for the Asia ADR Week 2025.